Hello, my beautiful people. How you all doing? How una day? I hope all of una day okay. As for me, I'm okay. So, my beautiful people, today I want to give this advice to people wey say they don't marry. E dey for women, e still dey for men. Dey for the both side, because of wetin I see, because of wetin I hear, I make me wan come give this little advice for those who have ear, they should hear. So my people, e good say if you and your wife, if the woman don already born for you and your wife quarrel, people don't know about the quarrel, friends no, family no, na wetin people don already know say una dey quarrel. If you be man, if you be the woman, I wan give this advice. Una first relax first. You wey be woman, you go relax yourself first. You wey still be man, you go relax yourself first. Relax your temper, because ọwọ́ women egbe ya tọlọ ya tọlẹ esa giladian blood must come out. So what make me talk this issue? Na one of my friend, wetin happen to one of my friend. Na for this thing here for happen for Spain, for Ibiza. He with his husband quarrel, got 2 children for this husband, and the family know about the quarrel. The 4 friends for that community, all of them know about the quarrel. So all people people are not happy with them, and people they think say they no go that is the when they go separate, but something can still happen, and the man come too fast. Go the friend girl for the same place wey be say for the all of the gather dey, and the woman no know say e boyfriend don dey, e husband don dey follow another woman. So when the time wey be say the vaccination come take comot for the woman eye, come say wetin dey do so. Her husband wey born 2 children for, abeg make e go back to am. He come go dey beg, and the man now he don already destroy this woman. Don too late to this new girlfriend. Don too condemn her, and the man, for me, the way my friend take explain tell me about their story, for me the man I see that woman, that is the real truth. He said that woman, because why he come dey shame, I want come take go back up, he don't too talk about the woman. I make am sometimes if we dey quarrel, no dey mind wetin we dey talk to each other. E dey for marriage, e dey for friendship. One day people must settle together. If they say if because of better no let us settle, because of remote go let us settle. Man has not be the this life na just game of whether you that is God, this life be. You know, women will be the throw matter too much, and then women will dey control what we dey talk to each other. Very important. So the woman come go dey beg, and the man talk and say no, carry the woman phone again. At the end now, he don dey carry a phone. They do everything. What next? Wey pikin don dey there. You go back to your wife. They say nobody is perfect. Really, nobody is perfect. If na me be the man, if na me be the man, they say wetin your big quarrel. The woman say na so no go pay see family, something like that. Na bring the quarrel. If na so, you go put true woman come born 2 for you. You no even pay dowry. E no good. You go pay am. After you don pay am, do everything, give am instruction. So before you pay am, so wetin you no like, so wetin you like. Before woman come born 2 for you, know say una don waka go far, una don waka far. So my people, make una wey be man still dey keep una self small, because before 10 wife born for una, no go know. 10 wife go come born for una for this world, with this small world wey you dey so. I no go know. And na wetin the Bible say, 1 wife, 1 man. very important o. One wife, one man. One me even dey imagine people wey be say their husband dey get two wives, they go still dey the same house. I no understand the way they dey cope. Person like me, Mrs. Bibi, I can never live that kind of stupid life in my life, because that is rubbish. Because something dey irritate me well well. No. But now let dirty people go accept. Although I don't understand it, because the thing make me sometimes make me I don't know, it make me weak. Sometimes if I see people be say that their husband married two wife, I know say not common for Europe, but it common for Africa. I hear they say how manage they take reach here. You won't be woman, you see allow your husband carry woman come. You see accept the wait for waiting. You could better go, you leave them, they carry their play, they do their play. I don't really understand though, really. Never can see go apart. More you want be man, they keep on herself. Before 10 wife or 15 wife born for, I don't know. You see her now, you want to come they beg you now. Children don't dey there. Pikin and you go see there. Daddy, where are you busy is there? Where are you? We are missing you. Come back home. That thing they touch you, they boy you for men. Now your children. They say, oh, one more not back cocoa. Pikin one mama only mother train with husband and wife. It can never be the same. It can never be the same. By the grace of God. Or money have a cocoa, one money, or cocoa. What do woman they talk? Children don't they respect mother. That dirty day, that love don't day. They don't respect mother. The face we don't they be there. But even father always shadow the father go shut for the children. They go fear. Now then I go take don't make can say after God, na man. And number two, we be women they respect na man small. The man small, the man big, the man average, the man are weak. Nobody choose them for you. He sweet you, now you carry him. So you still continue with the consequences when they follow and they go. Don't deny your man, even though you not fine. Man na man. Don't deny your husband, even though you not fine. Man na man. Don't deny your husband, even though you know sabi speak English. Man na man. So far they break. If he give you daily bread, may you chop. They break. They perform what people say you need. Now yo, my dear people, now the advice be say me I can't see give you now. You ain't be man, you too fast. You see now the end your woman can't calm down. You can't they beg. So I beg, brother, if now you did this issue, because many people did this message when I give today. If anyone will know say did this kind of message, because of those children, una consider and remember how una start. No, una remember how una start una relationship. No, una remember how una start. They say nobody is perfect. No woman to get character. No woman. We all will be equal. Now small. Now we take better pass each other. Now just marriage. Now just matter of understanding. Yes. Marriage. Now just matter understanding. If you understand your husband, now be the real facts. If you understand your husband, how go dey quarrel? For example, this thing na glass. Your husband don't want make this glass a day on top of the table every day. Not say if it day, if the small children push and go fall, you go fit go break their leg. And you now say woman when you there, I know they go anywhere. You go always dey leave am. You know say your husband they complain over it. Try and remove it and try and clean let your house clean, arrange everything. Obviously you know say your husband like all those things. Now be the understanding. Try make you control how to call people, how to make call. They control yourself if your husband there around. Concentrate on your husband first. Give her food. No, they give her only one food. They change food. Now Europe they will. If woman wey sabi really cook with €6, €8, you don't cook pot of soup. Wey go if we be say you cook pot of soup, we be say they will use €30 take cook. You all go sweet pass them. Na finger na in dey. Yes, na finger. When they cook better soup, man they remember woman. All those soup, better food. Like yes, Sajona. You see, you go tell some Amanda. People don't be say that they go Nigeria every week they don't really share. You no go spend no buy am small. No just fuck up of here sayo. No just cook am many because if soup too many too dey for us no see good. If dey pursue man go outside. Men dey like fresh food for mouth. Like a week now if you could dey keep three type of soup, it's okay. One cup for if you get 2-3 children or 2 children, 2 cup is okay for you people for egusi. 2 cup of milk, this thing is okay. Now go shop and because if you no see cook on that one, if na the other day okra with stew, men dey like am. You make those pandanya or flour rice, put am and arrange am with correct if na correct fish you want to cook am, correct meat. Give your house go dey hungry and to go. No be wetin you eat today, soup wey you take eat today. Maybe next tomorrow dem go still continue eat am. You go dey eat am dey go for me don see am for more than 2 weeks. Soup go just dey inside fridge. E no get taste again. No taste no dey again. Really. If you still cook this okra soup, maybe you suppose to cook the next day, maybe that one now you still fit maybe you can take it today, okra soup today, in the evening, or maybe you cook in the evening, you take and eat in the evening. In the afternoon, you fit use if na day house, you take and taste it eat. The next day, the okra wey remain, you go keep am for your fridge. We say dey cold well. Put am no be freezer. Where dey cold for yourself your fridge make for no spoil. You go fresh. You go drop am there. No be down fridge. Where we see you put something for under the fridge. Now I don't cold, go cold. The next thing, now you see yam. Just see go buy yam. One yam they see €8, €9. You peel am fine. Cook beans. Let oil your catch am. Give your garlic onions catch am. No pepper no go too much because of the children. Cook am as our mama pata take teach us. Onions go catch am. Done well, good. The beans go done, you go make pete. You serve your guy if he come for work. You chop am, you belly full, my dear. Your husband no go dey run comot for house. You go even dey think say the way you go contain the house go contain the container. You go even dey think say nothing is zimbabwe ya. You go even dey fear say wetin dey happen for house when they go outside again. Hola. Gracias, dime. Nada, no. Sí. ¿Cómo está?
Yo bien.
Vale.
Que te noto los ojitos así como cansados.
No, está hablando del teléfono.
¿Estás triste?
No, está hablando del teléfono.
Que quería un menú.
Bemonte.
Un menú martini rojo.
Vale.
Bueno, cómelo blanco, que te queda más.
Blanco. Ahí rojo.
Bueno, rojo mejor.
Vale, ahora.
Y una cervecita con mi amigo.
Vale, me pila, por favor, me ayuda. So, now my people. Un bemum, por favor. Que soy teléfono. Eso en YouTube. So, now my people. Rojo. Nine, so they cook better food like that. The next day, in the afternoon, be on Sunday. Hola. Café con leche, vale, 2.40. Coca-Cola. Martini, toma.
¿Cuál es la copa de martini?
Esa, la que sabe de...
¿Esta?
No. No, Pilar no.
Es que decimos.
Esa puede ser, sí, trae esa.
¿Me lo pongo yo?
Da igual.
¿Cuál de martini?
¿Tú no hielo? ¿Quieres hielo?
Sí, y una olivita, por favor.
¿Cuántas? ¿De
Una
hielo?
de hielo.
Uno.
So, my people. Now you be that. You cook better food for your husband. You make sure say if na Saturday be say your husband not see you still there, no go work. You still do meat pie.
¿Qué haces? Mira, ¿qué haces?
You try bemu, martini. You still do meat pie, martini, esta rojo. No, martini. You still do this thing.
Pero esto si no lo haces con una cuchara, si no lo puedes sacar así.
Y yo así.
Ah,
Si no, no puedo, ¿eh? Pila que no puedo.
con una cuchara.
So you just you see try.
Pues es que es con una cuchara.
You still do meat pie. If na meat pie, you still do am for the family. If na just 15 meat pie, you get jam use your this thing take do am. The family just in the afternoon, you buy Coca-Cola or Fanta. Just dey chop am. The man go go. All those things then they bring better this thing for that me eso. Now those things then they bring better milk for man.
La Coca-Cola, ¿cómo se la pongo?
Coca-Cola,
Con hielo,
huh?
con hielo. ¿Coca-Cola cuál?
Coca-Cola normal está ahí. Hola.
Coca-Cola normal.
Dame martini más.
No hay.
Ah, más que normal. Pilar, llévalo.
Pues aquí se trabaja y se viene a alojar. La bandeja no la encuentro.
¿De qué?
La bandeja.
¿Qué bandeja?
Con la bandeja para llevar las cosas. No la encuentro.
Está ahí donde está. Ya, te abre. Ah, ya está. Now, my people, you also do meat pie for your husband, for the family. Hola. ¿Ah? Belmontes.
Botes de cerveza.
Bote de cerveza. Ahora viene la chica. Espera. So you also cook this meat pie. Now what me they do? Me they tell una so. I dey do meat pie every Saturday. We go eat am. So that they do 16. So that they do 15. Because of the depends how una many for the family. Dos botes de cerveza. Bote de cerveza. Está en YouTube. Pilar, mira aquí. So sometimes I dey do meat pie.
Uno.
Dos. I dey do meat pie, 2. Yeah, no, don't mind me. Sometimes they do 16, 15, depends.
¿Cuánto es?
2-0. I dey do am. Cagar, ay. Pilar, cagalo.
2 euros.
¿Necesitas el enchufe
Sí,
este?
está ahí.
Ah, vale.
Está ahí,
Digo,
Pilar.
bueno, pues eso que se me olvidó coger. Muchas
Gracias.
gracias. Estamos en casa sin luz.
Ah,
Y hasta mañana que podamos poner la luz, hemos estado todo el fin de semana y me he tenido que comprar un cargador de esos, pero que nada más que es una
Ana,
carga.
pero ¿dónde lo enchufas esto?
en la cabeza está ahí. Mira, la blanco, mira. Ese, coge esa.
Esto.
No, esa. Pilar, levanta esa. No puedo pasar.
Levántate y dime cuál es.
Dame esa, Pilar. Ese blanco. No. Blanco, sí. Ya está. Ah, sí, ya está.
¿Qué pongo? ¿Este blanco
Cambias
aquí?
ahí, sí.
No sé.
Al revés. Dame, yo te lo pongo, mi vida.
Es que tiene tantos cables ahí.
Sí.
Quito este. Ponemos este.
Será este. que
Esta
me
maleta. Y este lo enchufas en el cabezal negro. Y el cabezal negro al enchufe.
Ay.
Cabezal negro.
Ah,
Ese.
sí.
Y ese en el enchufe, mi vida. Muchas gracias,
Aquí, cariño. Gracias por ayudarme. ¿Has cogido el dinero?
Está ahí, Pilar. Dinero.
Hijo mío.
dinero, dinero,
No te
dinero.
levantes, no me explicas las cosas, pues yo vuelvo loca. Entre que loca voy.
So I dey do me tie 16. We'll see chop am sometimes I go remain 3.
3 años.
The 3 na me come even chop am. My children go come sit tire. My husband go chop, relax, out Saturday. They be say we no fit go Burger King, go see go chop. We dey go there sometimes go chop. So Sunday you cook better if na better fried rice or your better. I'm saying you no go too many just for that day. Or you dey break go remain small. Obviously you also carry go work. Finish. Na make God make us woman. We need to dey cook for our husband, cook for our house. Say you all cook one soup. The soup you all come spend all the whole week. E no good. E no good. E no good. Dey drive man for house. The way come go in friend house, everywhere dey send. E go today. Na this take chop ebijojo. E go ebijojo. Do not say that they eat ebijojo and this thing stew. E go be like ewedu, like Yoruba ewedu. Ebijojo e dey good for this thing stew. If na person be say na dey go Nigeria, but una get ebijojo, mean dey buy come for una. Your do and the way they do this thing na like ewedu. Cool stew put better stew with a better pounded yam. Give your oga, serve am well, arrange am well. If you chop am, you go say, oh, my mama, you are my mother. Me, I get a yes, I get a mama they bring a beer for me. When beer me when they do, it be like ewedu. We all do am. Who stew a party, stew different. Put on, go be like say you dey eat okra and this they get different vitamina. Okra. Sometimes my husband maybe you don't fit dey eat for people house. You don't fit eat for people because you don't eat belle full for your house. Okay, well, why they try? I'm trying my best. I will finish for store. If you are still rich for me to carry food they do tonteria, what do I want to call? You be say coco no gain. If you are rich now to yours concentrate on my children, cook for don't do everything, arrange the house finish. Now food and then be the next 1 hour I don't cook finish or 1 hour 30 minutes. So everything there unarrangeable. I don't cook finish. My husband I come before if you be saying never come, I don't sleep, I serve and down. If you say this waiting I serve and down, you go warm by himself, he chop. Yes. Man come and see food chop, work with the whole ground to go work. A thing fair. I will they work when they work, in the see for your body, where they try. They use and wear. You say person go open your fridge, no go see better thing for inside. No better soup. No na one soup for 1 month, e no good. Who dey do am una stop am. Or when now we dey make the money, suffer put. You see dey chop better food. Sometimes you still cook feast you. You buy menus all those menus wey dey sell for Macedonia. The menus I see dey always say e dey a kilo 13 euro. Now you dey make the money my dear. For Mercado Central, you just go there buy menus at 13 for a kilo. If na 2 kilo you fit buy 27 euro, buy am. Keep am. If no be say you not many for her, maybe the person has now rich for her. And just 1 kilo you buy am. 13 or 50 cents you buy am. You go the menus are big, man. You fry am small, not too dry. Ground tomatoes fresh, won't be say the tomatoes you no go too smooth. Let me the fish stew. This thing you no go fit too smooth like that. The fresh pepper. The onion go be say not too smooth. That is go make you go black the what you say they chop yam. Taste you, my dear. Your husband can never forget you. In here, I adore Yajoba. In here, also you know we Italy. Ebo mo bia. Unyime no. What we Italy we bo. Italy. That's a big cook. It's a big cook. Where? I know why they talk on. It's a big cook. Where people don't say Italy alone. It's a big cook. Where they cook better food. They cook. Now Italy food. No one get one of my friend that will be say cause if me no my eye no straight me no dey talk am. One of my friend that outside na him tell na him for come down na him for settle issue my dear wey come spoke we come I know for here the day that girl cook for my kitchen na him even teach me how to cook espinaca soup. The one wey me dey cook before with you e dey different when I use when you do am finish my dear the way you take arrange that food oh Jesus na come tell am say how na take dey do am he say na him sister still teach am na say abeg you go teach me this style this my style when you throw me that's why I be like Nigeria style na if you see the way this girl take cook espinaca that espinaca I mean e dey my finger if I cook for my if dey one dey cook espinaca for house my husband say wait o who teach you how to cook this now say na one of my friend my old friend na he teach me na Italian girl come from Italy na God your sister na me come teach me that soup he say teach me how to cook urobo soup that urobo soup no so me I tell to be say I be international woman because why I dey eat all kind of soup I no dey select wetin I dey chop the soup wey be say I dey chop I no dey select one say why I feel if you be my friend na I reach your house you dey cook maybe you be urobo or you be ekwale maybe you dey cook wetin be say e wan look like our system I feel say how you take do am I go come write am if you arrange with when you buy I go buy and take cook am if you say I cook am say I go cook am small if you say e enter I go carry am join my food system I go come dey cook am for the family for her na so take dey do me I no dey cook ogbolo egusi beside no I dey cook all type of Nigeria soup yes I dey cook am because if you like go say no dey if you test am they say get all Igbo everybody get but food be say you go see test for there you go love am you understand you go na dey give vitamin I dey cook calabar soup I dey cook urobo soup what soup I like for urobo soup na it be egusi wey you know put this you come put spice my dear the one I dey cook for my house I cook am if I wan cook that one cup and half na take cook am if you want I still dey cook banga urobo banga get grade by grade they see Benin banga they see urobo banga like fish let me say all those small stupid fish wey be say we say go get bone we say your children go dey chop am they go dey say hey mama no fish wey be say you go die better food be say you go buy from Macedonia you see they remove all the bone they go remove no one bone no go dey inside now your children go dey chop am like this thing urobo this thing as I be all the spice I get am for mama go say all this wo we khian e je khian wari o ama we na here we cause I don say na like even you agbon me if I don't reach house I'll come cook am and so let me dey call myself I'm international woman I don't select wetin I dey eat if you say it still perf I like am because they be human be like us na God still create them they still get this kind thing wey be say still sweet for their culture yes so they do all these things na dey cook go be like say your husband e dey go ebuka go dey chop cause if you reach ebuka now all type of food there now wetin enter your eye na you choose say you wan chop today na so you also can never comot for house again also agwa also na be the sharp una no know also na be wa be tie egbe bros where you dey I know yours dey o I dey far while your husband your dey SARS or if you know what you am where you dey no go stay your house stay with your wife na so marriage say dey grow okay every day wey you dey I dey come down so we go see for junction e no good una dey know how to keep una man for house una dey know how to keep una husband for house better food na be the charm for man better correct food una go select some of urobo soup dey carry join una receipt I wanna still get for Benin o sometimes tell your mama may bring a bodon don come for you from Nigeria me I eat a bodon don day before yesterday for my house a bodon don soup water leaf soup yes I eat am the only vitamin wey go give you our food too good yes but I think because they say, "Mom, you feel bad." Because say yes, I feel bad. So the day when the person they come tell me, if you say you go come on next tomorrow, I go give am to dinner so. I come ask them. Go tell me say the way they go come. Yours will come so okay. You will give them so day. Now I shop at the for yesterday. We take gile. We take gile. Correct gile. Kashan. We are one half year. You know the gile the year eva. So that's what gile they be. I cut time to two like this. We are one amu gile. We are one amu gile. We are one lalumu many here. Me and no bo after boy here hopeful. My dear, Masma say God. When they eat that, Masma say, hell, my in-law, he pray for my mama. Not my mama will we all listen and you know so that me they calculate everything. My friend, sometimes I sell those YouTube. This YouTube people they cook all those I come enter robo YouTube. I go enter quality people. I go enter all the people. I can select if what if let's say one resemble what I like. I can select the super you write them down. And they watch all their video. I go write them that they pick something for inside. Before my husband reach shy, if I not get those ingredients for us, I don't say my mom and my brand come for me. Before 1 week, you don't reach go claim her. If you come out, everybody go say, oh, this man does cook. The kitchen, I want to pay again. Or what? If you are open my pot, a baby, you go now. You go be, but we go bath. Before you buy down reach them, husband, you all low pan the yam, low down. If you don't low finish, you say I'm my wife. Now God, now he send you to me. I never see woman like you. We say you don't understand soup. We say you don't go keep this one. You don't go keep this one. You don't go keep this one. Say maybe this one. No, so can eat to you go cook and gauge. We say for 2 days, 3 days. You don't see 3 days. You don't finish. Now only one person can eat for 3. Only one person. You don't finish. The next day, I don't cook another entire soup. We say, you know, if you expect, and if you see him, then say, my dear, sometimes they say, no change, my dear. What can change me? Me like the food. So now my people, now food, better food, then they keep me for us. Italian woman that a big cook. If you get Italian friend, no shame. They cook for anybody who say don't stay Italy before. No, you're shame. I don't know about other European countries because the what nice when I see now we talk. If you get anything with Doctor stay Italy, maybe don't marry. Just if call that they call and say me teach you some. No shame. Maybe they talk and they go and they teach you how to cook this one. You know me, make it teach you. They sabi cook well. They are still they different. They say I don't know teach you. Maybe na the culture na nature. Yes, my friend, teach me a lot of things that time. And you teach me, if you see my times table of cooking, you go fear. I did write everything down for my times table. I got my whole times table of cooking for my house. I get all ingredients to take cooking. What we say go be like that. Go be like that. The day will be some of my husband friend come from Switzerland. Now Igbo man. The guy that go school for the University of Port Harcourt. He go to for speak. Come out and say go come stay our house. He stay just for 2 days, be 3 days that day. 3 days. When I bring food, when I know say I cook their food. When I bring the chop, he say, who cook this soup? Now I say, my name I'm not talking to his wife cook. He say, is it Igbo girl? He say no. Say once you don't, if they look at those people, we say they follow people when they be cook for YouTube. You go back and cook and you go enter. I say they cook for this. If they tell my husband, hold this your wife, this your mother. Just hold this your wife, this your mother. It was either those who don't see good at then I go say this woman doesn't be cook. Go say tell her they gotta know that they be schoolmates. Yes, it's good to know how to cook. Now that food, how to cook, that be the P code of marriage. If you don't know me, I can tell you. That be your P code. That be your P code. Bale. That be your P code. That be your P code, lady. Learn with me and take my advice. It will favor you. Here, we know they gossip anybody. We always give good advice to those who have ear. Let them hear. Listen to my advice and it will favor you. Try and know how to cook for your family. Not only your husband, for your children also. For your children. also for your children, because children, if food good for mother, they know they go lack and they go chop. If you no good, they no dey chop, you no fit force them. So no end this topic like this. I wan do something and I dey little busy. I thank all of una wey dey follow Mrs. BB show. May God continue to bless you, give you all you want. So thank you. It's me, Mrs. BB. Continue follow my YouTube channel. You will learn something quick. I love you all. Bye bye.